Now, they are the commonest symptoms of a major type of stroke. It could happen when you're doing normal lifetime things like being at a birthday party, playing tennis. And so to concentrate that just because you get a symptom, not to put over context on what you might be doing at the time is, oh, that explains it. A stroke can happen at any time. The cardinal most common features are recognized by the acronym FAST. F for facial weakness. So if you see a person's face suddenly dropping on one side and becoming weak, or you feel that yourself. Arm, if your arm goes clumsy or weak or appears to be.
And is it a particular side? Is it left?
No, it can be either or.
Oh, okay.
It can be either or. Speech, if a person's speech is either slurred, as if they're suddenly trying to struggle, or they're not saying the words correctly. They're using words that are, if in some way, like kind of paraphrasing what they want to say, jug for cup or something like that. That can be a clue that a person is experiencing a stroke.